What's up, geeks, and welcome to the channel. Imagine we're building a web application and are tasked with implementing user authentication. Now, instead of using a robust library like Firebase or even native solutions like OAuth, we decided to manually create a custom authentication system. At first, it seems straightforward. Validate user credentials, issue a token, and move on. But without a deep understanding of cryptography, password hashing, token expiration, or session management, the implementation becomes riddled with vulnerabilities. Soon, weak points such as improperly hashed passwords or insecure token storage are exploited, leading to data breaches and compromised user accounts. This is a classic example of the reinventing the wheel anti-pattern, where time is spent solving problems that have already been addressed effectively by established tools. While creating a custom solution might feel empowering, this approach introduces security risks, wastes valuable time, and diverts focus from delivering meaningful features to users. Consider another example where a project requires generating reports in PDF format. Instead of integrating a library like Apache PDFBox, we opt to write custom code for PDF generation. Initially, this might seem manageable, but as requirements grow, such as adding support for images, custom fonts, or multi-page layouts, the custom solution spirals out of control. The time spent debugging and implementing new features quickly exceeds the effort it would have taken to adopt an existing library. Even worse, the custom solution might still lack the efficiency, scalability, or advanced features of established tools. But why do we end up reinventing the wheel? One common reason is the not invented here syndrome, where there is a reluctance to use external solutions, fueled by a belief that we can build something better ourselves. This mindset often stems from a desire for control or concerns about relying on third-party tools. For instance, we might avoid using a third-party library for database migrations, fearing vendor lock-in or potential bugs, only to create a custom system that lacks critical features like rollback support or schema validation. Ironically, this pursuit of control frequently results in a less reliable and more difficult to maintain solution. Another driver of this anti-pattern is a lack of awareness about existing solutions. Picture a scenario where a caching system is needed for frequently accessed data. Without knowledge of tools like Redis or Memcached, we might implement a simple in-memory cache. While it might work during development, this custom system could fail to handle concurrency or persistence in a production environment, leading to crashes and data loss. This lack of research is a frequent cause of reinventing the wheel, particularly in teams working under tight deadlines or among developers who are newer to the field. Deadlines themselves often amplify the problem. In the rush to deliver, we might skip the research phase and dive straight into coding. Imagine a situation where a logging system is required. Instead of using a library like Log4j or Winston, we create a custom logging framework. At first, it might appear to fulfill basic needs, but as the application grows, it struggles to handle log rotation, structured logging, or integration with monitoring tools. These limitations eventually force us to rewrite the framework or adopt a third-party tool, wasting both time and effort in the process. The consequences of reinventing the wheel can be significant. One major issue is increased maintenance costs. Custom solutions require continuous support, documentation, and updates. For example, a custom-built image compression algorithm might initially perform well, but later struggle to handle different file types or larger workloads. As the system evolves, we may find ourselves investing considerable time and resources into patching and maintaining the solution, which could have been avoided by using a library. Another outcome is reduced performance and scalability. A custom-built authentication system, for instance, might not be optimized to handle thousands of simultaneous logins, leading to slow response times or server crashes. Established tools, on the other hand, are designed with scalability and performance in mind, making them far more reliable for production use. To avoid falling into this trap, we should adopt a "don't reinvent the wheel" mindset. At the start of any project, we must prioritize research into existing tools, libraries, and frameworks. For example, when a project requires payment processing, integrating Stripe or PayPal's SDKs is far more efficient than attempting to create a custom solution. These platforms have been perfected over years, handling edge cases and ensuring compliance with security and legal standards. By leveraging their expertise, we can focus on delivering value instead of solving problems that have already been addressed. Another key strategy is fostering a culture of reuse within teams. During code reviews, we should ask questions like, is there a library that already solves this problem? Or what are the trade-offs of building this from scratch? Creating an environment where developers feel encouraged to use existing solutions allows us to build more efficiently and avoid unnecessary duplication of effort. Finally, we should educate ourselves and our teams about the hidden costs of custom solutions. Highlighting examples from past projects where reinventing the wheel led to delays, increased costs, or poor outcomes can help reinforce the importance of using established tools. Understanding the risks and trade-offs associated with custom implementations enables us to make more informed decisions, prioritizing efficiency and long-term sustainability over short-term satisfaction. In conclusion, while reinventing the wheel might seem like an opportunity for creativity or innovation, it often leads to wasted resources, higher maintenance costs, and unnecessary complexity. Whether it's creating a custom authentication system, writing bespoke algorithms, or avoiding proven libraries, the results rarely justify the effort. By prioritizing research, fostering a culture of reuse, and leveraging the vast array of existing tools, we can focus on solving the unique challenges of our projects while avoiding the pitfalls of this costly anti-pattern. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.